The Great Train Robbery, Crime of the Century, is a thrilling tale set against the backdrop of rural England in the 1960s. This story unravels through a series of interconnected clips, meticulously designed to pull the audience into the world of meticulous planning, unexpected twists, and the inevitable clash between cunning criminals and relentless detectives. In clip 1, we meet Bruce Reynolds, the mastermind behind the train heist. Bruce, a charismatic yet elusive figure, is seen poring over blueprints and timetables, his ambition evident in every calculated move. He embodies the archetype of a gentleman thief, driven by the thrill of the crime as much as the potential reward. Clip 2 introduces us to the supporting criminal cast, including the tough-talking Buster Edwards and the technical genius of Roy James, each adding their unique skills to the planning stages. Their camaraderie is palpable as they gather in secret locations, sketching out every detail of the heist. Clip 3 brings into focus the target, a Royal Mail train carrying millions in cash, a seemingly regular nighttime journey. It presents itself as the perfect one. The camera captures the train weaving through the countryside, its rhythmic clatter underscoring the heartbeat of the nation's industrial prowess. In clip 4, the tension builds as the heist date approaches. The robbers practice disabling signals with precision, showcasing their meticulous preparations and the complexity of their operation. Clip 5 shifts to the perspective of the police force, led by the determined Inspector Tommy Butler, whose tenacity is matched only by the criminal's audacity. Butler's analytical mind makes him a formidable opponent, setting the stage for an intense cat-and-mouse chase. Clip 6 provides a glimpse into the heist itself. In the dead of night, the gang springs into action, their movements synchronized like a well-rehearsed ballet. The train screeches to a halt under the robbers' plan, and they swiftly make off with their fortune. Clip 7 captures the aftermath, as news of the robbery shakes the nation. Footage of newspapers rolling off a press with crisscrossing headlines fills the screen. Voices of concern and fascination ripple through society, portraying the crime's impact from multiple angles. Clip 8 zooms into the investigation's progress, where Butler pieces together the puzzle with relentless pursuit. Interviews, evidence collection, and strategic planning dominate his days as he narrows down the list of suspects. In clip 9, division spreads among the robbers in their hideout. Tension rises as trust frays, highlighting the moral ambiguities and personal flaws that brew beneath the surface. Clip 10 features Bruce's internal struggles and growing paranoia as the police circle closer. His charismatic facade begins to crack under pressure, revealing a more vulnerable side. Clips 11 through 15 delve deeper into the personal lives of each gang member, juxtaposing their criminal undertakings with moments of humanity, love, and loss, making them strangely relatable. Clip 16 is a montage of mounting pressure as the law enforcement net tightens around robbers. Surveillance, chases, and near misses create an ever-present tension. Clip 17 highlights a critical mistake made by the gang that accelerates the investigation. Carelessness amidst tension proves to be their downfall. In clip 18, Bruce makes a desperate move, aiming to safeguard what's left of their loot and disappearing into oblivion. His gamble marks a turning point in the unfolding drama. Clip 19 takes us deeper into Inspector Butler's psyche. His dedication is portrayed through long nights at a cluttered desk, driven by a passion for justice. Clip 20 brings a breakthrough as Butler gets crucial insight from an unlikely source, shifting the momentum in the investigation. Clip 21 marks the culmination of efforts as the police make their first arrest. The charged atmosphere reflects the stakes of a high-profile case. Clips 22 through 25 document the domino effect of arrests and confessions, painting a picture of crumbling criminal bonds. Clip 26 focuses on trial proceedings, where the courtroom becomes a battleground of wits, ethics, and emotive appeals. Clip 27 offers a glance at public reactions, sympathizers with mixed emotions, media in frenzy, and the victims silently grappling with the aftermath. In clip 28, the legacy of the Great Train Robbery begins to crystallize, showing its imprint on cultural consciousness, inspiring books, films, and collective memory. Clip 29 reveals the lasting impact on the thieves' families, grappling with the shadows of past actions and societal judgment. Clip 30 revisits Bruce in self-imposed exile, haunted by a restless existence, reminiscing about what they gained versus what was forever lost. Clip 31 shifts back to Inspector Butler in a moment of reflection, contemplating the nature of justice and the personal cost of his trial. Finally, Clip 32 wraps up with a poignant juxtaposition of the mastermind's original ambitions against the reality of their lives, encapsulating the moral of the story. In every heist, there are always unexpected losses.